Hello, my name is Jeremy Nestor, and I'm the owner here at Quality Yard and Home Maintenance. People often ask me if I know anyone who can take care of their home repair projects. Actually, we offer home improvement and handyman services. We're investing heavily in that division of our company due to the feedback from our clients. They love the convenience of having one company they trust take care of multiple things for them. It's the integrity and quality they prefer, so they don't have to risk what they might get contracting multiple companies. They've seen firsthand how we operate and what to expect from us. As the owner, my thought is loyal business relationships are a win-win situation. Once we take on a client, we do everything in our power to cater to them. And if we ever make a mistake, we won't hide it. We'll do whatever it takes to resolve it. I never want a client to feel like they have to babysit us to resolve an issue. In return, we have a loyal client that loves us and stays with us long term, so we don't have to constantly be looking for new clients. I'm very grateful to say we were awarded the very first Business of the Year in Pataskala from the Chamber of Commerce in 2017. There are several home improvement and handyman tasks we do year round, even when the weather is not ideal. For example, building decks and fences, pergolas and sheds, and paver patios, along with any type of general home maintenance like gutter cleaning, power washing, painting, replacing screens, any kind of home maintenance really. We have a lot of different equipment and just about any attachment you can think of for them. So you'd be surprised at what all we can do. We've been in business for over 10 years now, so chances are we've seen it and we've done it. All you have to do is ask, and we'll shoot straight with you because we guarantee everything we do. If you want to know more, you can simply Google us at Quality Yard and Home Maintenance or call us at 614-559-0078, and we'd be glad to share with you our home improvement handyman services along with our lawn care and landscaping services. Thank you so much. I really look forward to meeting you and building a business relationship with you.